Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change app icon size on iPhone. So let's get started. So the first way is that by long pressing on anywhere on your home screen, and once you do so, you'll be able to see all the apps wiggling. You're going to click on edit at the top left of your screen, and then you're going to click on customize, and you'll be able to see this icon right over here. Once you click on it, you'll be able to see all the icons get a bit larger, but the text beneath each icon will disappear. So if you want the app icons to be larger and you don't mind hiding the text, you can simply toggle it on. So well, that is one way. The next way is by long pressing on any of the icon that you want to enlarge. For example, let's do it for clock. You can long press on it, and then you'll be able to see numerous icons right over here. You're going to click on this one and it will enlarge the specific app icon that you want. You can continue doing this for any app that you want. Now the third way is by going into your settings, scroll down and click on display and brightness. Over here, scroll down to the bottom and you'll be able to see display zoom. Click on it and you'll be able to see here is default and larger text. Once you click on larger text, all of your app icons will be larger, but keep in mind along with app icons, the text will be larger as well. So you can see the app icons are like this right now. So once you click on larger text, your phone will go blank for a few seconds. And now when you go to your home screen, you'll notice that all the apps, but along with them, the text is also enlarged. But if you only want the enlarged icons and not the enlarged text, you can follow the first step. And that was how you can change app icon size on iPhone. If you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.